Alright everyone, welcome again to Advanced German from A1 to B2, this special video series which will more deepen your German knowledge. So this is the lecture 2 and there is one uh, major verb which is used in this lecture. So if I say verbinden Sie die richtige Antwort mit brauchen, or you have to match like what sentence is similar in this section with this section. And if you notice those which is written in blue form, like they have a specific verb which mean Brauche. Now what is Brauche? It means need. So if I say I need in English, in Deutsch it's mean ich brauche. I need it. Ich brauche. Similarly, if we say we need in English, in Deutsch wir brauchen, braucht, and similar to that. So these are the basic theme of today's video is that you have to identify that which sentence A is similar to this sentence or where in this sentence. So the sentence A is nur noch 10 Minuten. Nur noch 10 Minuten, it means only 10 minutes more. Nur means only. I will tell you nur means only. Noch mean still. 10 mean 10 and minute mean minutes. So nur noch 10 Minuten, only 10 minutes more. Similarly, ist das nicht gefährlich? It is not dangerous. Gefährlich mean dangerous. So it is not dangerous. Deine Schuhe sind kaputt. Your shoes are broken, or like your shoes are not well. Kaputt is a word which is used in for different meanings. So kaputt is like it's broken and you ruined it. These kinds of words. Du siehst müde aus. You look tired. And finally, du hast keine Ausweis. What? You have you don't have a ID or ID card. So these are the meaning of these sentences which I written here, and now we have to figure it out that which sentence is similar to these all sentences, or you can use either these sentences or these sentences, but they are the which written on the right hand side, they are with the verb brauche. So du brauchst dich nicht zu sorgen. It means you don't need to worry. Sorgen means worry. Sorgen für dich, I'm worry for you. And brauchst mean need. Du mean you. And du brauchst dich nicht zu sorgen. You don't need to worry. So which sentence is similar or have same meaning on this hand side? It's like this. It's not gefährlich. Ist das nicht gefährlich? Is it not dangerous? You don't need to worry about it. So the sentence for B is A, or you can say the answer of this sentence is A. Another one is ich brauche mehr Zeit. Ich brauche mean me. I need. Mehr mean more, and Zeit mean time. So if I say ich brauche mehr Geld, I need more money. So I need more time, or nur noch 10 Minuten. This is similar to like I need more time, or this one. So sentence A has similar mean as sentence B. Du brauchst eine Pause. You need a pause or a break. You need a pause or a break. So du brauchst eine Pause. Which sentence has similar meaning as this? You look tired. You look tired. This D has similar meaning as C. So the perfect answer is C. Du brauchst ein paar neue. Du brauchst ein paar neue, which means you need a new pair. You need a new pair. paar means pair, brauchst mean need, and du means you. So which sentence has similar meaning? Deine Schuhe sind kaputt, your shoes are broken, you need a new pair. So this sentence has answer of D. And was? Du hast keine Ausweis. What? You don't have ID? Jeder Mann braucht einen. It means every man need one. So every man need one. What? Every man need one. What? You don't have ID? Every man need one. So the perfect answer for this is E is E. So this was a basic match the column, or you can say to find the best sentences for similar meaning. These sentences and these sentences, they both have similar meaning, but those which I wrote on the right hand side, they have the specific verb brauche, or in English we call it need, to need. So you can use both of them, either them or either these, and it means similar meaning. So see you in next video.